Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Kim and I'm from Ocean Vayu Yoga, and today we're going to do a short 15-minute Vinyasa Flow. So let's get started. We're going to start seated, so come down onto your mat, sitting cross-legged. Okay, so let's begin. Find a comfortable seat. We'll just take a moment to take a couple of deep breaths. Let your shoulders relax away from your ears. Lengthen up through the crown of your spine. 2 more breaths here. And then we're going to go ahead and make our way into downward facing dog. Okay, so pedal your heels out. Move in whatever direction feels good for you. And then when you're ready, press both heels down towards the mat. Spread your fingers wide. Lift your right leg high. Bring it forward next to your right thumb. Leave the back heel up off of the mat. Lengthen your spine. Look forward, strong back leg. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, hands back down. Step back. Nice full breath. Exhale. Inhale, left leg high, bring it forward, stay up off of your back heel, look forward, lengthen, rise up, and exhale, hands down, leg back, downward facing dog, full deep breath. Exhale, inhale, right leg, bring it forward, lengthen, rise up, and twist. Open up, gazing back towards your back thumb, 3 breaths. 2 and 3, arms back up, open up, warrior 2, 3 breaths. And cartwheel the arms down, vinyasa, plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. Left leg lifts, bring that foot forward, lengthen, rise up, and twist. 3 breaths. Inhale, arms back up, open up, warrior 2, 3 breaths. And cartwheel the arms down, vinyasa. Inhale up, and exhale back, 3 breaths. Strong legs. Pull your belly button up, that's 2. And 3. Inhale, right leg lifts. Bring that foot forward. Stay up off your back heel. Lengthen, rise up. Open up. 1 breath. Both arms up, warrior 2, 1 breath. And peaceful warrior, hand onto your low back, lunge nice and deep, gazing up, 3 breaths. Cartwheel the arms down, vinyasa. Inhale up, exhale back, left leg lifts, bring that foot forward, rise up, 1 breath, open up, 1 breath, back up, warrior 2, 1 breath. Peaceful warrior, 3 breaths. And cartwheel the arms down, vinyasa. Three breaths. Smooth out your breathing. Engage your bandhas. It's the pelvic floor and the lower belly. And step or hop your feet forward. Look forward, flat spine, exhale, fold. Now we're going to bend into our knees, arms up. Utkatasana, chair pose, 5 breaths. 3, 4, And 5, lift up off of your heels. 3 more. 2, 3, straighten the legs. 3 more. 2, 3, come back down. Hands come to heart, right elbow to the left knee and twist. 2, last breath. And then transfer all of your weight into your left foot and step your right leg back. Anchor the heel down. 3 more breaths. Rise up, warrior 1. 3 breaths. Transfer all your weight forward. Warrior 3. 3 breaths. Hands down to the floor. We're going to make a nice tripod. So our hands are out in front of our foot. Lift up off of your heels. 3 breaths. 2. And 3. Drop the heel down. And we come to tap the calf with the shin. Rise back up. 2 more. Back up. And lower that leg down, forward fold. 3 breaths. Bend into your knees. Utkatasana, 3 breaths. Lift up off of your heels, 3 breaths. Straighten your legs and lower. 1, 2 more. 2 and 3. Hands to heart. Drop your heels. Twist. 3 breaths. Transfer your weight into your right foot. Left leg back. 3 more breaths. Lengthen out of the crown of your spine. Rise up, warrior 1, 3 breaths. Warrior 3, 3 breaths. Sometimes that happens. 2 and 3, hands down in front, lift up off of your heels, 3 breaths. And Jiva squats, shin to calf, 3 times. Last one. Lift back up and forward fold. 2 more breaths. Inhale, look forward, flat spine. Exhale, step or hop back. Vinyasa. Come forward to sit down. Right into boat pose. We're going to do 10 breaths. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Cross your ankles, lift, and vinyasa. And back. Back down to sit. And lie down. Hands by your sides. We're going to do a bridge and a wheel. If you prefer both bridges, do that. Inhale, lift your hips. Roll your shoulders under. And lower back down. Take a breath. The birds outside are going bonkers. What are you gonna do? Okay? Into wheel, unless you're doing bridge again. 3 breaths. And then lower back down. Knees into your chest. Drop them over to your right side. Gaze to your left. Knees back to center, over to the other side. Gaze to your right. Knees back to center, straighten your legs. Hands by your sides. Palms face up. Let your legs fall out. Smooth out your breath. I invite you to stay longer if you have the time. Otherwise, we're going to begin to make our way out. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Bring some gentle movement to your wrists and your ankles. Take your arms up and over your head. Big stretch. And exhale. Relax right there. Bring your knees in towards your chest when you're ready. Rock from side to side. Roll over onto your right side. Curl up into a little ball. And slowly begin to push yourselves up to seated. Keep your eyes closed or your gaze low. Bring your hands to your hearts. And just take a moment to feel, to bring your awareness inward, to notice what's going on inside of you. Is it any different from when you started? Just notice. Be kind to yourself today. Be kind to others. Take a full deep breath. Exhale it out. Namaste. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks so much. Peace, love, and kindness, because kindness is magic. Thanks again. See you next time.